Welcome back to my channel in my spare time. I wanted to share with you and welcome you to the Vatican, which is in Rome, Italy. It is my husband and I's second time. It is an honor for us to be here again. The Vatican Museum are a public museum of the Vatican City. They display works from immense collection by the Catholic Church and the papacy throughout the centuries, including several of the most well-known Roman sculptures and most important masterpieces of the Renaissance art in the world. The museum roughly houses 70,000 works of art, and 20,000 works of art are displayed. So come along and let's check it out.
Take a look around. You know this anything that can suggest
Here's how we work.
Beautiful, huh? Amazing, huh?
that's huge. That's quite yeah, go very close to the fountain. Nowadays gone, unfortunately. When the Roman Empire
Our tour guides point out to us the fresco paintings that we will see in the Sistine Chapel, which we cannot take pictures of. We can actually just go there and see it, and you cannot take pictures. That's just the rules. So here are some pictures of it, and it's very exciting to see in person. And it is painted by Michelangelo, and we're very excited to see it. So come along. These are the famous steps that you will take to visit the Sistine Chapel and see all the paintings of Michelangelo. Here is the garden at the Vatican, which is outside. We haven't gone into the building as yet, so we're just walking around, strolling around, checking out the gardens of outside the Vatican. So come along with us. We are going to enter inside the Vatican and look at all their masterpieces and artwork. The Vatican Museum can actually trace its origin to a single marble stone. It was purchased in the 16th century by Lacone and his sons, was discovered on January 14, 1506, in a vineyard near the Basilica of Santa Maria Maggiore in Rome. Pope Julius II sent Giuliano and Michelangelo, who were working at the Vatican at the time, to examine the discovery. The Pope purchased the sculpture and put the sculpture at the Vatican, and it was displayed exactly 1 month after the discovery. The purchase was made after the recommendation of Michelangelo and Giuliano. What a great idea. Pope Julius II founded the museums in the early 16th century. The Sistine Chapel, with its ceiling and altar well decorated by Michelangelo. and the Stanza di Raffaello, decorated by Raphael, are on the visitor's route through the Vatican Museums. It is considered the most distinctive works of Western European art. On the last Sunday of each month, the Vatican Museum is open to the public for free. It is popular for people to wait in line for many hours. And other than that, during the week, you may purchase tickets online or in person. Thank you very much for coming along on the walking tour of the Vatican Museum and for viewing our channel, and wishing everyone a magnificent day and a great Jubilee year too.